That sound is the sound of your fitness goals and your budget crashing down. You want a home gym. You want that convenience. But in 2025, the difference between a treadmill that transforms your health and one that becomes a $2,000 clothes rack has never been bigger. We ran over 500 miles, tested motor durability, app integration, and cushioning systems to find the only 5 models actually worth your investment. The performance gap between our number 1 and number 2 pick will blow your mind. All links for the best prices and models are in the description below. Let's find your perfect run. Starting at number 1. Echelon Stride 6. Best folding treadmill. The Echelon Stride 6 is the Goldilocks of treadmills with a just right performance in our test metrics. This machine offers the best workout quality for its size, and it folds flat to keep it out of the way when not in use. It weighs a nimble 184 pounds and sports dual direction wheels for easier movement. Because the motor is tucked beneath the belt and not at the front, there is more space to stretch out and no motor cover to kick. The belt provides 60.5 inch of usable running space, making it easier for taller users to get in a full stride. Even with all this space, the footprint is approximately 30% smaller than that of other models with the same running surface. I assembled it in 14 minutes, most full-sized models take an hour or 2. Most specs are average yet sufficient: motor size, top speed, and the running deck's flex and feel. For superior performance, the NordicTrack X16 offers a steep, nearly 40% incline, beyond the Echelon's 10.5%, but it's massive and hard to deliver to apartments. The Echelon Fit app enhances the experience with diverse, engaging classes, but since it lacks a built-in screen, you'll need a separate device for video playback. The Echelon Stride 8S has a bigger screen, but it no longer folds flat and costs nearly double. Not worth it. Update Echelon has locked their treadmill into their own app and servers, so it is no longer compatible with third-party apps or available for use without an internet connection. Boo. Number 2. Sunny Health and Fitness SFT 4400 Folding Treadmill. Best Budget Treadmill. The Sunny Health and Fitness SFT 4400 Folding Treadmill is our budget-friendly favorite. It's powerful enough for a good run but doesn't feel like overkill for a walking machine. The 49-inch by 15.5-inch running deck is approximately 20% smaller than that of premium models, but it is still sufficient for most workouts, especially for walking or jogging shorter distances. While the 9 mph top speed, 3 miles per hour slower than premium competition, isn't impressively fast, I found it more than sufficient for general workouts. My main gripe with this machine is the space it occupies. Unlike the Urevo 2-in-1 folding treadmill or the Urevo Stroll, it doesn't fold flat, so it will be a fixture in whatever room it occupies. 3 manually adjustable incline levels and 9 basic pre-programmed workouts make it more than just a rolling belt. While I wasn't thrilled about having to get off the machine to adjust the incline, striding uphill is a nice calorie-burning feature that's easy on the knees. The Urevo models may appear to be the better deal, but the shorter running deck constrains your stride more than the Sunny Health. The Sunny also features a console, and while it's not fancy, I found it to be a nice spot for my phone and water bottle. The console displays basic workout data on an LCD, and you can use the pulse sensors on the handrails to track your heart rate. While it doesn't flatten, the machine does fold upward. The soft drop system reduces its footprint, and transport wheels allowed me to scoot the 103-pound machine from room to room. If you can spend a bit more, the Echelon Stride 6 is a better machine in just about every sense, and I found it much easier to store. Number 3. Horizon 7.4 AT. Best treadmill without the apps. The Horizon 7.4 AT is a full-size treadmill that you won't outgrow. It features Bluetooth FTMS, essentially two-way communication, that allows the treadmill to follow prompts from a class, automatically adjusting your speed and incline. You can connect to apps like Peloton and Zwift, but this mill is perfectly functional without an app. A 60-inch by 22-inch silicone belt runs over a flexible cushioning system, providing shock absorption for your footfalls, which is especially nice for runners. While the console is basic, connecting a tablet unlocks features similar to those of the NordicTrack X24. The ergonomics and controls were a favorite amongst our test team. I loved the distinctive rolling control wheels and found them easier to use than those on the Peloton Tread or Echelon Stride 6, remarked tester and ultra runner Natalie Kafader. The machine was more difficult to assemble than others, and it requires a dedicated space due to its 2,701 square inch footprint and 318-pound weight. If your needs call for a quiet machine, the 7.4 registered a quiet 61.4 dB, making it one of the least noisy options. The 3.5 chp motor and sturdy steel frame support users up to 350 pounds, with a quick incline adjustment up to 14.7%. If you'd like to forego the subscription service and app fees, the Horizon 7.4 is an excellent choice for indoor runners. Number 4. Sunny Health and Fitness Active 400 Treadmill. Best budget treadmill overall. Looking for a treadmill that gets the job done during cardio days? This pick from Sunny Health and Fitness checks every box. With a sturdy frame, auto incline, built-in metric tracking, no-fuss design, and an app with guided workouts, it keeps your workouts straightforward and stress-free. In fact, we found the lack of luxe add-ons made our treadmill sessions feel more focused and efficient. During testing, we loved using this tread for strength training warm-ups, long-distance runs, and relaxed strolls. We always felt stable and supported, never wobbly or overwhelmed by too many settings. While it is a little heavy out of the box, setup was surprisingly simple, and its foldable frame makes it easy to tuck away between workouts. Number 5. NordicTrack T6.5S Treadmill. Best budget treadmill for running. NordicTrack has been a home gym staple for decades, and this treadmill proves why the brand's been trusted for so long. Our tester, who was rehabbing from ACL surgery during testing, found its smooth incline transitions and stable frame ideal for low-impact walk-run intervals, prescribed by her physical therapist. And the iFit integration made everyday indoor training runs a lot more fun. The downside? Getting it set up was a challenge. It's bulky, heavy, and took multiple people a few hours to assemble. But once it was in place, the tread was easy to use, supportive, and safe for steady runs, incline workouts, and more, and the treadmill also had wheels for portability. It's a versatile option that delivers performance and durability without a steep price tag. So, there you have it. The roadmap to your best home running experience is clear. No more guessing, no more risking your money on marketing hype. If this exhaustive testing saved you time, money, and frustration, please pay it forward by liking this video and sharing it with someone on the fence. To get started with any of these top-tier treadmills, every single link, plus any exclusive 2025 discounts we've secured, is in the video description. For more no-nonsense fitness gear reviews and training science, subscribe and hit the bell so you don't miss our next breakdown. Now, go crush your goals!